Struggling with stubborn toilet bowl stains, hard water rings, or rust buildup that just won't come off? Let me show you this Pumice Stone cleaning stick. This toilet had visible hard water marks and mineral deposits that regular cleaners weren't removing. Instead of using harsh chemicals, I'm trying this Pumice Stone scouring stick. The stone is easy to hold and works by gently scrubbing away calcium buildup, rust stains, and hard water rings. Just wet the stone and the surface before cleaning. You can see it starting to lift the stains almost immediately. Look at the difference already. Areas that looked stained and discolored are becoming noticeably cleaner with very little effort. Here's the final result. The bowl looks much cleaner, and those stubborn hard water stains are significantly reduced. If you're looking for an effective way to tackle tough toilet stains without relying on strong chemicals, this is definitely worth considering.